Welcome to Factverse AI, where every fact becomes a story.
Before sound, there was silence. Before thought, there was light. And from that light, the mind began to see. Some humans see the world differently. For them, every sound has a color. Every melody paints an image inside their mind.
As sound takes form, colors awaken. Every frequency.
This phenomenon is real. It's called synesthesia, the blending of senses.
When someone speaks, they can see the color of their voice. The brain is a mysterious universe, and when the colors fade, only silence remains. But within that silence, every sound still lives.
When perception dissolves, the universe awakens. Thought becomes energy, and energy becomes creation itself.